With the holiday season coming up quickly and a sea of dash cams to choose from, it can be hard to find the perfect gift. To help you pick out the camera that best suits your needs, we made this video. In the next few minutes, we'll go over the best dash cams in a few different categories to help you find your perfect gift. Best for daily drivers. With a 162-degree lens recording at a stunning 4K video quality, the Blackview DR900S will capture every little detail of your busy rush hour commute. With so many distracted drivers on the road these days, it is absolutely necessary to capture the license plates of those around you in order to collect evidence should anything happen. Have to park on the streets once you get to work? Don't worry. With Blackview's over-the-cloud system, the DR900S will notify you whenever motion or impact is detected. You can even live view and use the camera as a two-way communication device. To use this feature, you will either need to park within range of a Wi-Fi source or install a mobile hotspot within your vehicle. To use this camera to its maximum potential, we recommend using a Blackview 128GB micro SD card, which will result in about 7.5 hours of recording time on the maximum resolution. Best for new, young drivers. Do you have a new driver in your family? Do you want to ensure that they are behaving themselves on the road? The Blackview DR750S and Blackview DR750S 2-channel IR will allow you to use the Blackview over the cloud to keep an eye on the vehicle and its occupants at all times. The DR750S 2-channel IR has an infrared interior-facing camera that will record crystal clear footage of your vehicle's interior even in pitch black environments. Just like the DR900S, you will need a mobile hotspot inside your vehicle to utilize the cloud feature. Best for parents and grandparents. If you need a dash cam that will offer around-the-clock protection for your vehicle, even when it's parked, we recommend the F800 Pro D+. With ThinkWare's signature parking modes, the F800 Pro D+ will be able to capture everything from parking lot door dingers to careless shopping cart pushers. This bundle builds on the huge success of the regular ThinkWare F800 Pro by including items that are usually only available for purchase separately. The best add-on by far is the OEM ThinkWare CPL filter. This filter sticks onto the lens of the front unit and significantly reduces glare and reflection, which directly translate to better video quality. This CPL filter can be the difference between capturing a license plate or letting them get away. If you are parked for numerous hours at a time, or if your vehicle has very sensitive electronics, we recommend using a Cell-Link Neo to power your dashcam rather than going the traditional hardwiring route. This is especially true for vehicles with old batteries or small batteries. A single Cell-Link Neo can power a 2-channel F800 Pro D+ system for about 25 hours. And if that's not enough for you, adding in a Cell-Link Neo extended battery pack will bump up the time to over 50 hours. Best for ride-sharing and fleets. Know anyone that is a rideshare or taxi driver? The ThinkWare FA200 IRC will be the perfect gift. This unit offers the perfect solution for interior cabin recording, as the secondary camera that's pointed inside has infrared lights. This allows the camera to capture details under the poorly lit vehicle cabin. The FA200 IRC also offers ThinkWare's signature parking modes of time-lapse, energy saving, and motion with impact detection without breaking the bank. The FA200 IRC is also a great camera for fleet owners who would like to protect their drivers and vehicles from accidents both on and off the road. This could be the difference between a hefty bill or saving the reputation and thousands in insurance dollars for your fleet company. If you are looking to outfit your fleet with the latest and greatest in dashcam technology, contact us today. Best for truckers. When driving for hours on end under the blazing sun, you need a dashcam that can handle the heat. The iRoad X1 and X9 boast the highest operating temperature out of all our dashcams. Both units have a maximum operating temperature of 80 degrees Celsius or 170 degrees Fahrenheit. The X1 is the 1-channel variant of this lineup, and the X9 is the 2-channel version. The X1 and X9 are able to capture video in low light conditions exceptionally well, thanks to their Sony Starvis sensor, and when placed in parking mode, they will automatically adjust the exposure thanks to iRoad's X-Vision technology. Thank you guys for watching. We hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions about these dashcams or any other products, feel free to contact us.